guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am Cardi B, just having fun. Today's makeup look is actually inspired from Cardi B's music video Like It Like That. When I saw the music video, I was totally inspired by the makeup look and I really wanted to recreate this look. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, I love it, I love the colors. This is something I would definitely wear anywhere. So if you want to see how I created this fun, beautiful, celebrity-inspired makeup look, then keep watching. First up, I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. So I'm just going to apply some of this all over my entire face, even on my eyelids as well. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more extra and apply that to my eyelid. It keeps the eyeshadow matte and lasts longer. So next I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Camo color correcting pen, and this is the peach one, guys. This shade actually works a lot better on my skin tone compared to the red one. So I'm just going to apply some to my under eye area just to conceal those dark circles, and some on my forehead where I have a little bit dark spots, some on my cheek area where I have a dark spot, right here and right here. So next I'm going to go in with my brush, and this is the Sigma P88. I like using this for blending out and sharing out products, especially color correcting products. So next I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade Tan Y420. So I did end up actually keeping the foundation. I really want to like this foundation and I really want this foundation to work. That's why I decided to keep it. But also it's a good thing I also kept this foundation because this is the actual foundation they used on Cardi B for the music video. So I'm just going to apply some of this on my foundation brush, and then I'm going to push it into my skin and also blend it out. I'm just going to apply a little bit more on my foundation brush to apply to my forehead. And of course, whatever is on my brush, I just drag it down my neck. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and completed my eyebrows just to save on time. So I'm going to go in with concealer now. And the concealer that I'm going to go in is with this Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. And I just wanted my under eye to look a little bit more brighter, so that's why I'm going to go in with this one, since it's a little bit more lighter than the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And some down my forehead, down my nose, on my chin. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend this out. And of course, you know, whatever is left on my beauty sponge, I like to apply to my eyelids. So I'm just going to blend out what's on my nose, on my forehead. And I forgot how much I love this concealer. It's still a very beautiful concealer. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more concealer and apply it to the areas where I think is a little bit darker. And like just one dot there, one dot here. I seem to see darkness on my forehead. Just tiny dots, guys, just to give that extra coverage. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in with my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going to apply that to the areas where I just applied the concealer, just so I can set this concealer in place so I don't get any creasing. But I'm not going to bake, guys, because I'm not really a person to bake. I like to set it and then remove it afterwards. A little bit on my forehead. Okay, so for the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and this powder has more of a yellow base to it, guys, and that's what I like. Since my skin tone pulls more yellow, I like using this one sometimes, but I really do like using the other ones as well. So I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. So now I'm just gonna start on the eyes before we move on to the face. Okay guys, so from the photo that I screenshot, you can see clearly that the colors that she used, it's sort of pigmented but not all that much pigmented. It looks beautiful, and as you can see, there is like sort of this yellowish and gradual pink, and the under eye area has green. So that's what I'm gonna try to recreate, and for that I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. Since this has lots of vibrant colors, if I had used a white concealer to set this eyelid, I think the colors would be a lot more vibrant, a lot more pigmented. But since hers is not all that much pigmented, I'm just going to go in with my natural canvas, and I'm going to work from there. So this is the Makeup Forever eyeshadows. These were the single ones, guys, and this shade that I'm going to use here is M664. So I'm just going to use this all over my crease area just to create that nice transition. I'm thinking that this is a little bit too deep now. Ooh, yeah, so it's a little bit too deep, but so I'm just going to blend this out, and then I'm just going to go over it with the lighter shade, which would be this one, M650. Okay, so I'm going to go in with M6550 just to lighten this up a little bit. Now I don't think this step is necessary because from the photo I didn't really see a transition, but it sort of looked like there's some sort of transition. Maybe the pink sort of created that transition, so I'm hoping that I can still see the pink, you know, over this transition shade. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the yellow, and I'm going to start on the inner corner first, only because I want the yellow to really stand out. I want this color to be as vibrant as possible. I'm also bringing this like closer to the outer area as well, so this area can be very bright. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the brighter pink in the palette. I'm going to apply that shade to the outer area, and I'm going to sort of extend it and apply it into the crease area as well. So I'm just going to go back in with the yellow just to touch up and brighten it up, so this way I don't lose color. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this orangey color here, and I'm just going to apply that right where the yellow and the pink meets. And again, I'm just touching up so I don't lose color, especially the yellow, guys. So next I'm going to work on the lower lashes, and I'm going to apply some eye pencil right now, and the eye pencil that I'm going to go in with is the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner Gel Crayon. I'm just going to apply some of that to my waterline. This is not dark enough. I need something a little bit more darker. Okay guys, I want my lower lash line to be really dark because from the photo that I'm looking at, I can see the black eyeliners, and I'm going to go in with my Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner. See, now this is black. So while I'm at it, I'm just going to tight line. So now I'm just going to go back in with the same yellow shade, and I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and extend that yellow color like just one-third under the lower lash line. So next I'm going to go in with the green shade from the palette, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that on a brush and apply it to the rest of the under eye area. Actually, I'm just going to go in with a little bit smaller pencil brush with the same green shade. I'm just going to continue lining my lower lash line. So next I'm going to go in and apply some wing liner. From the photo again, I can see that the wing liner is very dramatic, guys. And for me, I'm not so much of a dramatic wing liner person, only because I don't have much lid space. So when I open my eyes and look normal, you're not going to see the eyeshadows. So I'm just going to go in with the same Wicked Gel liner, and I'm going to create my wing. Okay guys, I'm just going to go in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and Trooper just to clean up and sharpen up this wing because I need it to be perfect. Do you see why Kat Von D Tattoo Liner would always be my favorite, guys? Always. Doesn't matter what eyeliner I use. This would always be my favorite. Okay guys, so now it's time for the wing eyeliner, and her wing is very dramatic as I mentioned. I'm gonna try. So in the photo, right where the yellow eyeshadow is, I'm seeing some sort of a glitter eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This one is the shade Kitten Karma. It has sort of a kind of rose gold-ish tone to it, but it's not really rose gold. So I'm just going to pick up some of that on a very thin brush, and I'm going to line right where the yellow is. And do you see how pretty that is, guys? That is just so pretty. To me, it's a lot prettier in person than what you're probably going to see on camera. So again, in the photo, I'm seeing that she has on some false lashes, guys. Again, I suck at lashes, so I'm not going to do the lashes. I'm just going to apply my mascara, and then we're just going to continue with the rest of the face. Oh, and the mascara that I'm using here is none other than the CoverGirl Total Tease. And on top of that, I'm just going to go in with my Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara, just so I can get that extra va-va-voom. You know, just to make my eyelashes appear like they have falsies. Okay, so mascara is on, and I applied the two mascaras so that I can get lots of volume. So I'm going to finish up the rest of the face, and I'm just going to go in with bronzer. This is the contour powder. But I'm just going to go in with this. I'm going to use this to lightly contour my face. I don't really like too much contouring, but I mean, it does look good. It does really give your face a little bit dimension. And of course on my jawline. And my double chin. So I'm using the same contour palette just to contour my nose a little bit. So for blush, I'm just going to go in with this one by Tarte, and it's in the shade Party. So it's just a little one, guys. I just wanted something a little bit more natural looking, since I'm not really seeing too much blush on her. Now again, in the photo, I'm not really seeing highlighter, like too much highlighter, but for me, I need some highlighter. So I'm just going to go in with the one by Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy and highlight. Some on my chin. Down my nose, and I need a little bit on my eyebrows. So as far as the inner corner, guys, there is no highlight, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the palette and pick up some of the yellow, and I'm going to apply that just to brighten up the inner corner a little bit more. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. And I'm just going to go in and set my eyebrows really quickly. I like setting my eyebrows after I've done doing all my powders and eyeshadows and stuff. This way the powders don't sit on top of my eyebrows, and this way whatever is there I can just brush it away quickly with a brow gel and set it at the same time. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in and apply some lipstick, and the lips that she has here, guys, is a very dark lip. It looks somewhat like a fall lipstick. In my mind, I want to use a nude color lipstick because I think it would just go better, but for the sake of the video I'm gonna go in with a dark burgundy lipstick. So for the lips I'm just gonna go in with this Kat Von D. It looks almost the same color on her lips, guys. This is in the shade Vampira, so I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. Okay guys, so there's the look. I hope I did the look justice. I mean, in real life it's looking very pretty. So with that said, let me just finish up the rest of the appearance. So I'm just gonna put on some earrings, and I'm gonna wrap my head in a scarf to look something similar to this, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm finally wrapped. This took some time. We had fun trying to wrap the scarf to make it look like hers, but it was a task. This obviously is not my thing. I don't know how to wrap scarf. I'm not trying to imitate anyone in a bad way. I'm just having fun with this Cardi B inspired makeup look. So final step, guys, is I'm going to set my makeup with my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really had fun recreating this look. I had fun with the eyeshadows. It's very colorful. It's very springy, summery. It also ties in with this month's theme, which is Pride Month. So this is actually perfect. I love this look. I can obviously wear this look out. It's beautiful. So yeah, so with that said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this Cardi B inspired makeup look. And with that said, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to check out the description box for my Instagram link. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.